Welcome to OpenProfit with me, Israel Raphael. A few weeks ago, someone asked me who is a product developer. And I thought, what an interesting question. And I decided to put a short course about that and share with you so that you know who a product developer is and how to take advantage of one in the accelerated digital economy that the world has come into. A product developer is someone who spends much time, much money, much energy in selected market areas so that you don't have to. They hold your hand through identifying a market need, conceiving your idea into a product, designing the product, building what I call product flight plans, developing an MVP as a minimum viable product, releasing the MVP to users, fine-tuning the product based on user feedback. Whew, that's a lot of work, obviously, but that is what we do and that is what I do. This is who a product developer is, so you need to understand that they work in selected market areas so that you don't have to. They put in all this work, money, energy, all the stuff so that you do not have to. Does a product developer know everything? Nah, we don't. So why are there so few of us and in such high demand by people who know our value? Well, you see, a product developer will know a bit about many market niches, but he'll be master in selected market niches. Product development specialists have a solid network, what I call a team of angels supporting them. So while they don't know everything, they know things that Google doesn't. Strengths of a product developer. Now, listen to this. A product developer sees life in products. And I can speak for myself. I walk into a building, I can literally feel the energies and the emotions deeply as if on some spiritual frequency of the products, the services, the business process. Guys who step into an establishment and within minutes of meeting you or stepping into your business, they know how that product will perform. It's like a vision cast before their eyes about things, strategies, actions, events, both current and future, which will affect your product for good or bad. That superior intelligence then enables you when, of course, you patronize them. If you do patronize them, that enables you to position yourself for exponential profit. So don't get too macho. Hire a product developer today. In fact, hire me. Thank you. Weakness of a product developer. So I've got to be real with you. The thing is, sometimes it feels like a product developer loves or cares about your child, your baby, more than you do. I know especially Africans can feel a little about that. It's just the way it is. We mean no harm. The thing is, we are blessed with the burden and the passion of wanting your products and inventions to succeed more than you do. I can tell you for a fact, I don't always have the nicest, smoothest, salesy words, but like a midwife, we're ready to deliver your baby, your business, your product, your ideas safely into profit. Finally, product developer versus product manager. Now, many people mix these two up a lot. They are not the same. Product manager refers to a single role. Product developer is involved in the process in which a product manager is a player. The product developer practically oversees the process and understands every bit of the process in which the product manager is a player. And that is how that works. One last thing. Okay. See you in the next episode of Open Profit. My name is Israel Raphael. Have a wonderful time.